Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in that they call it cipher block. This one with 4 stars. And we have the other puzzle. You are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 9472. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Then we have here 3 ones. I cannot place the 4th one here or there, otherwise we will have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so those 2 boxes should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. And between the ones comes an O. And double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.